Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tanya. I am so happy to have you here. And for those who recently joined my platform, you are truly and most welcome. And please do stay. Do not go because you never know what's next. Anyway, coming up next is actually a quick little dinner for me and mom tonight. Curried chicken back. Hello, I'm from the island. I'm from Jamaica. So you know. So this is what we are going to have for dinner. Matter of fact, I already have it. And it tasted amazing. Well seasoned, the herbs. As you know, if you've been following my mom's food page, which is Joan Homemade Meal on Instagram, then you would have seen she loves her thyme, her fresh thyme. Did I say it right? Time? Yeah, great. And scallion and all of that kind of stuff. Like when she goes supermarket, honey, let me tell you something. She'll be taking it off. Like, you need to leave some for others. Enjoy this video. But yes, dinner was superb. Now, we all know that curry chicken back is amazing, and especially you can have it with roast breadfruit, hard food, and you name it. We actually warm this up with some rice and obviously some lettuce on the side. Like I said, it's a quick evening dinner, and honestly, it went down really well. It was seasoned to the curve. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, goodbye.